Hi dear friends, welcome back to this channel. Today in this video I will show you how you can unblock someone on the Messenger application, because sometimes we want to unblock someone on the Messenger. So in this video I will show you how you can easily do it. So without wasting time, let's start video. Before starting the process, if you did not subscribe our channel, please subscribe it. So firstly, open your Facebook Messenger application, and here you will see profile icon at the top left corner. Click on it and then scroll down the page, and you will see the options of privacy and safety. Click on it, and then you will see blocked account options. Click on it, and here you can see your blocked account list. So click on that account which you want to unblock. For example, I want to block this account, so I will click on it and then click on unblock options. So in this way you can unblock anyone on the Messenger application. So if this video is helpful for you, please like the video and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.